Welcome back. Barb still here with us, this time to talk about the Greater Mankato United Way and their 2026 campaign. All right, 2026, a year full of possibilities. What are you guys looking forward to this year?
We're looking forward to hitting our goal, which we're working hard on right now, and that's $2,450,000. We are at 87% of that, so we're trying to get that going. But also we're embracing 10 more programs than we did the year before. That means 75 programs versus 65, and it's 6 more agencies. So it's 51 agencies, versus 45. It's really to help the people of need in a broader way. So it's really important that all United Ways are boots on the ground to find out where the gaps are and where we need to go to bring in more service areas. And that's why you see United Way, our United Way, expanding to the 75 programs versus the 65.
Yeah. How has United Way grown over the last couple of years, maybe since COVID to now, and just grown to help support local people in our area, the community, and just finding those places that people really need that extra help?
So we've grown a lot more initiatives. We have well over 6 initiatives that we're wrapping our arms around. And mental health was a big piece of that.
Yeah.
So before COVID, it was the #1 issue. During COVID, it escalated, and then to now, it still is. So we're really involved in all aspects, all ages, on initiatives trying to reduce that, I'd say, sex trafficking within the area, substance use disorder advocacy that we're doing, literacy, so very important in that. As we know, with COVID, a lot of little ones were behind within that, and even as we aged. And then into that, the mental health, and suicide prevention, all different avenues.
You guys have this sheet here, impact area chart. Kind of talk about the 3 different things here that we have represented.
So we have been focusing on basic needs, health, and education. And the reason we do that is those are the 3 major areas that a community needs to have strong and balanced. And United Way's responsibility, our United Way, Greater Mankato Area United Way, is responsible for making sure our community stays sustainable. And in doing that, we need to make sure these 3 pillars are strong. And in that, you vet out the agencies and programs that are the ones that are going to fill that, so we can help people all the way around in their lives and all needs that they have, and not have a singular focus. And so you won't see our United Way focusing on one of those 3 pillars. You're going to see us continually balancing the community to make sure we have the right agencies, a part of United Way's partnership, making a difference.
What does it mean to have all these agencies supporting you so you don't have to only focus on one? You can focus on 3, and knowing that there's support in a wide variety of areas in our community.
It's really important because when someone comes into one of these programs or agencies needing help, they need help in many, many other areas. And so part of the responsibility of them receiving funding from United Way is making sure their client gets connected to other resources of need, and not just to do their singular need that they're focusing on. It's a broader picture. And then when you do the broader picture and you think of everyone as a whole, right, all their needs, then individuals get out of the cycle of need. And that's what our goal is.
Yeah. Something really cool on the bottom of this page here is examples of how your contribution can make a difference. And just what $1 a week or 5 or 10, kind of explain the different ways people can rally around and support what you guys do.
So it's a matter of what, first of all, is that all these agencies have been vetted out by a great group of citizens, over 90 individuals in the spring, determine who's going to receive what funding. It's not United Way driven, it's citizen driven. Well, in that, then also we educate when we go out to the different businesses and individuals in the community. They share it doesn't matter how much someone gives, but if everyone gave something, it all adds up. And that's the beauty of United Way. It's payroll deduction, it's maybe their bank withdrawal, however they want to do that. It's not a matter, again, it has to be a huge amount, but if everyone gave something, we can achieve it. And that breaks down to say how much can happen within $1 a week. It doesn't have to be big. So don't ever discredit what it is you can do, because that all adds up.
That's incredible. If people wanted to help support United Way, how can they find you guys?
Go to Mankato or unitedway.org, and on there's a donate button.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Barb. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
To learn more about this initiative,